Morning guys, in front of me is HONOR Magic8 Lite, and let me show you how to clear browsing data. So first of all, open the browser that you are using. Tap on more icon and select delete browsing data. Here go to more options to customize it fully, and just mark everything you wish to remove. Then select the time range. So as you can see, you can remove data from 15 minutes, last hour, last day, 7 days, 4 weeks, or all time, however you prefer. Then tap on delete data. And that's it. To check it, just open history, as there is no notification. As you can see, there is no history, no data. You can browse from scratch. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.